हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक के बारे में बात करेंगे। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक, दिस इज एक्चुअली ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स which deals with static electricity only. Now we have to understand the concept of static electricity also. So if the charges in a body do not move, then the frictional electricity is known as static electricity. For example, if we consider a glass rod and then we consider silk material, what we have done, we have taken a glass rod and then we have silk material. Now if this glass is rubbed with silk material, then glass acquires positive charge while silk becomes negative by equal amount. So such charges which have been developed by the process of friction, है ना, हमने इन दोनों के बीच में फ्रिक्शन करवा दिया और फ्रिक्शन करवाने के बाद जो भी चार्ज यहाँ पे डेवलप होगा, we call it frictional force, frictional charge, and such charges these are known to be static electricity. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? We call it static electricity. Now, next we have to consider the concept of electric charge also. So electric charge, this is basic and the characteristic property of the elementary particle in terms of which certain forces can be described. ठीक है? कहने का क्या मतलब है? अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की बात करें यहाँ पे, electric charge, like we consider any two object, we have taken particle A, particle B, we also consider as if this is carrying positive charge, this is also having positive charge. If both the charges are identical, then obviously in between these two objects there will be force of repulsive force, है ना? Now if you consider another one of the object to be positive, let the other one be negative, then opposite charges attract. So now force existing between these two, this will be attractive in nature, correct? So basically electric charge, this is one of the fundamental character of any given object on the basis of which we decide whether the force will be attractive or repulsive. Okay, next we consider concept of quantization of electric charge. Quantization of electric charge, ठीक है? तो स्टेटमेंट क्या बोलोगे आप इसका? क्वांटाइजेशन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज के लिए स्टेटमेंट क्या होना चाहिए? तो बेसिकली द लॉ स्टेट्स दैट द चार्ज ऑन अ बॉडी, दिस इज ऑलवेज इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज. दैट मीन्स इफ यू कंसिडर any object, this can have charges like 2e. We have another situation where body may have charges like -3e. कोई और एग्जांपल ले लो जहाँ पे हम ऐसे बता रहे हैं कि चार्ज ऑन दिस पार्टिकल से दिस इज 3/2 टाइम्स ऑफ ई. ठीक है? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज बेसिकली वी डिनोट दिस बाय q only. Mathematically this will be plus minus ne. That means charge, this can be positive, also this can be negative, and stands for integer, this can be 1 2 3 whatever. And E, as we know, this is electronic charge of single electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So basically these two situations are correct. Number 1, number 2. ऑब्जेक्ट के पास पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, बट any given object, this can never assume fractional multiple of E. 3/2 over here, this is fractional multiple, right? So this situation is not in existence. This is not a valid situation. This is not possible. This is not acceptable.